Okay guys, update on this car. It's even worse than I expected. It's a few bundles of hair that I want to put in. I'm supposed to be inching up, like going upward, bringing it higher. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to another day. I'm on the road and I'm so embarrassed right now. It's so embarrassing because it's Saturday. I just dashed out the house to make 2 deliveries and I didn't fix up or dress up because I know I just going just to do the delivery and go back home because I'm actually cleaning. Tell me why I stuck on the road right now in front of people's yard and they trying to figure out why I'm at their place. My car tripping because the gauge isn't working properly, the oil gauge. So sometime it'll come on and say you need oil and then it leaves in a couple minutes, and then sometimes it say you need oil and I check it and it doesn't need oil, but now it need oil for real. Because when I started, it made this loud crazy noise underneath the hood. It's like, so I called the mechanic. Luckily he lives like 5 minutes away from where I got stuck and he came through and it is oil. He check it and it dry. He said not even a drip of oil in this car. Like, you need to do that. Okay guys, update on this car. It's even worse than I expected. It's not just a little oil job. So after I come back, he bring the oil. He bought free oil, put it in. I started. It's still making that loud crazy noise. So he was looking further and he found out, he saw that a gear is actually break, and he's saying he don't recommend me starting the car anymore, much less trying to drive it, you know, because I would end up having a whole head job to do to this car. I could blow my head. He showed me the gear. You can see it protruding out of whatever it's supposed to be in. So I call someone to tow the car. Now that's another expense. His fee was only $25. So far I've spent $22 on the tree oil and $25 for him to come service car. Anyways guys, let me not run on anymore. It just sucks that it's such a bigger job than we expected. I wish it was just only an oil problem, but now I have to get a whole engine change, so that's going to be a lot of money. So I'm going to be out of a car for a few weeks. Hopefully we get it up and running soon, but yeah, that's what happened guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I am at the pool. I have like 20 minutes before my swim lessons, only because I'm sharing car because of the car situation I told you guys about. My car is down at the moment, so I had to come an hour in advance while she have her first class and then we're next. So I already have my clothes on. I have my towel. I gotta find my swim cap. It's somewhere. I know it's somewhere in this car.
Alright, good. Keep going, keep going.
Guys, this week was awesome. This week was really good. My face looks so dry when you come out the chlorine water. Yeah, but don't mind that. It was really good. I started off without the fins and I was doing good, but she had to let me put the fins on because this week we're trying to go the entire lap of the pool, and without the fins I'm going midway, halfway. So put the fins on and I can make it across the entire lap of the pool. It's a 25-meter pool. So yeah, still practicing the kicking. It feels much better, feels easier, and I'm still practicing the side breaths, which I'm getting that as well. So just improvement all around. I feel good. Only thing is, next week she's traveling for a competition, so we're gonna miss next week practice. So it's gonna be a lot of time before I get back into the pool. Hopefully I don't forget what I've been doing. Yeah, I feel like if I have more access to the pool, I would improve so much more, so much faster. But I feel good. It's just getting easier. So basically, she have me swimming with one hand on my side and the next on the kickboard, because we're trying to practice the side breaths where I'm supposed to be turning my head and taking a breath, but I keep lifting my head up out the water instead of just rolling my head to the next side. As you could see, I'm still coming up, but we'll get it, okay? The next lady who swims, she's still improving. She's still doing it awesome. She's ahead of me, so she's doing different stuff. I don't even know exactly what she's doing, but she's doing other stuff, and she's doing good. So, and she went the whole lap without the kickboard, without anything. She did awesome this week. I saying soon I'll be there. Okay, soon I'll be there, but. I'm happy that everything I do is for my woman. Anything I go where you talk, I go do. Me, I know there's another girl for my feedback. Loving you, know my ritual. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you the truth. Hey guys, welcome back. I want to do a little unboxing with you guys. I'm so excited. I have my scissors here. Let's do some unboxing. It's only 2 items, so what is this? I don't remember exactly what this is. Oh, okay. Okay, I remember. This is some hair. It's a few bundles of hair that I want to put in my hair. I want to braid my hair with these curly hair. I'm going to show you a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about. But oh, the color is pretty. I like it. I don't know. I'm nervous. Now I'm officially nervous. I don't know how I'm going to do this, because after I purchased this, then I found the ones on Temu that are pre-plait. Like it's pre-done, and all you have to do is use the crochet needle and put it in. But this, you have to put it in and actually plait it. So this is more work. If I saw that Tinu one before, and I would have just gotten that one instead. But I think I'm still gonna get the Tinu one because it's cheap and it's pre-done. So this comes with, I think, 8 bundles. 8 bundles. What are these? It came with some transparent, some see-through elastics, as well as the gems, studs, and crochet needle. So this is good. This is the hairstyle that I want to wear on my vacation. Vacation coming up, guys. I can't wait. Guys, this is my portable stepper that I purchased. This exercise machine. I can't wait to try this. Yeah, it's a mini stepper. So I could have a full workout at home. Oh yes, it comes with the strap. Oh, she heavy. Oh my god, I can't believe I got it. I'm so excited to try this, guys. So I'm gonna figure out how to do it. Okay. I have my workout outfit on. Let's get ready to work out. I can't find my waist trainer that I normally wear while working out, but I have a new one. This is a belly wrap that I got from my good friend Sasha last year when I went to the States, when I went to Miami on vacation last year. Anyways, you know these long ones? Like, I barely know how to use it. Let's try to figure it out.
Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I can't deny.
Supposed to pull tight as you wrap. Oh. Oh. And it's supposed to be inching up, like going upward, bringing it higher, start from the bottom and come up. Oh. Wait. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. Okay. Now let's do it.
I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my.
Okay guys, we did it. I did the 20 minutes on the stepper and I'm sweating like crazy. I hit my back also too. Oh yeah, so 20 minutes give me 1,000 steps. 20 minutes give me 1,000 steps, so I'm gonna cool down for like 5 minutes and then go into my standing abs. That was a workout. Definitely felt that, but we did it. Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you guys have an awesome week and about to have an awesome weekend. I'm trying to beat traffic because we got out a little bit early today, but not too much. So it's like 4:50 right now. Well, we got out early, but we stayed behind to make a video. So I just recorded a video with one of my co-worker and we did the Bean Boozle challenge for the first time. So you guys will be seeing that video soon. But anyways guys, it's the weekend. I'm feeling good. Can't wait to just go home and have nothing to do, just relax and don't have to wake up early in the morning. I don't have to worry about going to work. Like, it's Friday. We don't have swimming this weekend, sadly, because the team is going away for a swimming competition in the States. So swim coach is gone, so we don't have swimming lesson until next week. But I hope they do good over there. But let me not hold you guys. Like, see you guys in the next clip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing this as a part of the self-care, treating yourself, taking care of the skin. And yeah, this is under eye patches that I purchased off Amazon, and it has a few natural ingredients. Let me see. It has a few natural ingredients that I want to share with you guys. So it says, okay, so it has caffeine, pumpkin seed extract, rose essence, retinol, vitamin E, collagen, avocado oil, vitamin C, nano active gold, I'm not sure what that is, and peptides, camellia leaf extract. Yeah, so it have a few good items in it, and it feels very moisturizing and soothing. So basically, just put it under your eyes, wash your face. I already washed my face. Comes like this, and just open it. Looks like this, and it's in like a liquid form. I should leave it on for 20 minutes, so that gives me 20 minutes just laying back, relaxing. With your dab, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain.